In this explainer video, we'll guide you through setting up your controller out of the box. We'll also cover what to do if you wish to initialize security, update the controller's firmware, or adjust its time and network settings. For this example, we want to use the following IP addresses. Start by opening Express software and creating a new project. Complete the new project helper and add your controller to the project. If any configuration is required before using your controller, the software will guide you through the necessary steps. Let's look at these prompts one by one. Enabling security allows multiple users to access the controller, each with their own password and access permissions. For this video, we'll leave security disabled for now. Even though the network settings used for the computer in this example are not compatible with the controller's out-of-the-box configuration, the software will still find the controller and allow you to adjust its network settings. Express Control ships with the latest firmware version, but you may be advised to update the firmware if we've released new software since then. Express software includes the matching firmware, and updating the controller's firmware only requires a couple of clicks. To learn more about firmware versions, watch our dedicated video, Introduction to Versioning and Upgrading. After a couple of minutes, Express Control is updated and ready to use in a new project. When you're ready to upload your project, Express Control checks its built-in clock against the local time on your computer and guides you through synchronizing the clocks if they don't match. In this video, we've seen just how easily Express Control can be configured.